Hey, I wanted to give you a quick look inside the Dump and Design course so that you can see exactly what's included and how simple it is to get through it. Now, I created this for women like me who has a lot on her mind, a lot on her plate, and needs a way to just get it out of her head without creating another complicated system. Now, inside, I walk you through how to use the process to externalize what you're carrying, organize the thoughts, tasks, and mental tabs, and then use AI to help you design one clear next step. Now, today, I'm going to show you the course so that you can see how it's laid out, what you have access to, and how easy it is to move through it. And then video 2, tomorrow, I will do a separate walkthrough of the GPT itself so that you can see how it actually supports you in real time. Okay, so we're going to jump into the Dump and Design course. And I'm gonna preview right quick. Okay, so this is gonna be your course shell. Once you get logged in, this is what it'll look like. And we're gonna go in. The welcome is just the initial introduction to. Welcome to the explainer. Is just the introduction to the framework. Now, the Dump and Design framework is built off of the EOD method system, which is externalize, organize, and design. And here is where you're gonna externalize and make the invisible visible by getting it all out of your head. And remember, our brains are not meant to be a storage unit, okay? This is not meant to be that. So it's important that we get it all out of our heads. And then it's organized. Organized, you're going to make sense of the mess, turning raw overwhelm into clear priorities. And then you're going to design, create small, sustainable systems to prevent the mental load from returning. Okay? So it's 6 lessons, I think. Well, 6 lessons and one lesson about the custom GPT. This starts out with the framework, and you got your action steps to begin mastering your mental load. Once you complete, you will go to the next one. This one is the externalize. Again, get it all out of your head. Watch the video, read the verbiage here, and then look at the action steps. Follow the action steps. And you also have a AI prompt if you want to manually do it. Copy and paste the AI prompt into any LLM that you want, whether it's Claude, ChatGPT, Manus, Perplexity, Gemini, whatever you prefer to use, just copy and paste and run it, okay? Then you would move into the dump and design. The organize step. Watch the video. Then you got your brief here and your action steps for the organize. And of course, another AI prompt for you, okay? And same thing goes for design. All right, welcome. Design is a little bit more lengthier here, but this is where you're gonna create your systems, rules, boundaries, whatever feels that is needed based off your brain dump, okay? And of course, you've got a lengthy here AI prompt that you can copy and paste into ChatGPT. And then mastering your mental load. You are going to this is going to walk you through the mental load. Did I skip one? No, I didn't. Okay. So this one is going to actually walk you through a practice of it, okay? So you're going to actually see how it goes from start to finish. And then you have your action steps, of course. And then you're going to go down here to actually practicing it, putting it in practice with your own mental load. And this is where you can use the AI prompts that are provided in each lesson to walk you through it. But this here is going to walk you through how to do it, whether you're using AI or not. So again, remember, there's two ways to do it using AI. Well, three ways maybe. Well, two. Using AI to help you along the way, or just doing it by yourself. And there's nothing wrong with that. Okay? You can do it manually with pen and paper. And then um, the final piece to it is the GPT. You get this is included in your package, okay, in your course. So the GPT is more like the easy button, right? You're not copy and pasting anything. You're not even having to um, do it with pen and paper. The GPT is where you put everything in there. You do your brain dump, you organize, and your design, all there with the help of AI. The important thing to remember, whether you're doing it using the AI prompts or even manually or using the custom GPT, is that you are in charge of it, okay? You are first. You have to make sure that you are in alignment with what it gives you. Make sure you have the capacity for it. Do not take it just for what it is. If you're not in alignment with it, start fresh or say, "Hey, I don't this is not working for me. What else do you got?" Okay? It's okay to do that because this is human led, not AI led, okay? All right, so in video number 2, which I will drop tomorrow, I will show you how the Dump and Design GPT actually works in real time. See you tomorrow.